How would you attend to this type of question if you meet it in JAMB? Now, this question says, what is the cost of running 5 50-watt lamps and 4 100 lamps for 10 hours? If electrical energy costs 2 kobo per kilowatt hour. Now we have these options given there. How do you solve this problem? Now we can quickly solve it. Solution. If you look at the question, of course, it is all about the cost of running electrical appliance. Now this appliance may be in a household where we have the 500 watts. There are 5 of them of 50 watt, please, not 500. 50 watts, there are 5 of them. Now, the 100 watts, there are 4 of them. All of them lit for 10 good hours. For 10 hours. Now, what is the cost of electrical energy? Now, all we need to do is we write out the parameters given first. Now, we have the 50-watt lamp. 50-watt lamp. How many are they? They are just 5 of them. So because there are 5 of them, you multiply by 5. And when you multiply by 5, you get 250 watts. Now, for the 100 watts, there are 4 of them. Multiply it by 4, which will give us 400 watts. Therefore, the total power consumed within that time is, by the time you add these two, you have 0 here, we'll have 5 here, and we'll have 6 here. Therefore, the power consumed within that period is 650 watts. Now, the time is given to be 10 hours. Since the time is 10 hours, they say, what is the cost? Now, the first thing you're going to do is recall that there is this equation, this relationship that says that energy is power times time. The moment you have this, now the power is 600 watts, you put it, the energy at that time will not give you, power is 650 watts multiplied by the time. The time is 10 hours. By the time you multiply this, of course, this is a multiple of 10. All you need to do is 650 times this times 1 will give us 650. Now add this 0 here, making it, remember, this one is in watts, this one is in hour. So the energy there will now give us 6,500 watts hour. At this point, the energy consumed is 6,500 watt hour, but it's not there. Remember that they said in kilowatt hour. If the cost is in kilowatt hour, that means this thing, this value you have here, convert it to kilo. How do we convert it to kilo? Divide it by 1,000. If you divide by 1,000, well, now this one will cancel these two will cancel. Now, if you cancel this, you shift it here. Therefore, the energy at that point will give us 6.5 kilowatts hour. That is the energy. But then, remember they said, since the cost of 1 kilowatt hour is 2 kobo. Since the cost of 1 kilowatt hour is 2 kobo, energy consumed at this point will give us 6.5 multiplied by 2, which will give us that the energy multiplied by 2 kobo. This is 2 kobo. Of course, this one and this one, the SI unit now will not be in kobo. So 6.5 times 2 will give us 13 kobo. 13 kobo. Of course, this is the final answer. But then there is no 13 kobo there. It is in naira. We'll convert your kobo to naira. Now, when you convert your kobo to naira, how do you convert your kobo to naira? Divide this 13. Remember, 100 kobo make 1 naira. Since 100 kobo make 1 naira, divide this by 10. Therefore, the energy consumed in running 4 100 watts and 550 watt bulb for 10 hours will now give us, if you divide this, will now give that the energy is 0.13 naira. That is the cost of running that appliance. Um, how do we attend to this question? Now, this question is also a JAMB question. And the question says, a household refrigerator is rated 200 watts. If the electricity costs 5 kobo per kilowatt hour, what is the cost of operating it for 20 days? Now, if you want to operate this refrigerator for 20 days, now the solution to this problem is, now we have that the household refrigerator is rated, of course, the power rating, that is the power, P, is 200 watts. Now, if the cost, now you say the cost of 1 kilowatt hour, the cost of 1 kilowatt hour is 5 kobo. Now, what is the cost of running the generator, the refrigerator, please, for 20 days? Now, how do we, the time here is 20 days. And of course, you cannot just work it for 20 days. Before you work out the time, because the cost is 1 kilowatt hour, your days you must convert these 20 days to hour. How do we convert it to hour? The first question you ask yourself is, how many hours make 1 day? And of course, it is 24 hours that make 1 day. Therefore, the time here is 24 hours, 24 hours multiplied by 20. And of course, 24 hours multiplied by 20 will give us 200, and 24 times 20 days, which will give us 480 hours. Now, the time is no longer 20 days, it is 40 hours. Now, we have that energy, the formula for energy is power times time, which will give us, the power is 200 watts, 200 multiplied by 480. It will give us that the energy consumed will be 48 480 multiplied by 200. And when you do that, you get 96,000. 96,000. Remember, this one is in watt, this one is in hour. It will give us 96,000 watt hour. Remember, the cost is in kilowatt hour. What do we do? Convert this to kilowatt hour. How do we convert it? Divide by 1,000, because 1,000 is kilo. Now, 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. We'll now have that the energy is equal to 96 kilowatt hour. Finally, since 1 kilowatt hour is 5 kobo, since 1 kilowatt hour costs 5 kobo, now 96 kilowatt hour will cost energy will give us 96 multiplied by 5. 96 multiplied by 5 will give us that the energy is 480 kobo. Now, 480 kobo. Remember, all these things are in naira. All these things are in naira. Because these things are in naira, convert this to naira. Remember that 100 kobo make 1 naira. Since 100 kobo makes 1 naira, 480 kobo will give us what? Divide this by 100. If you divide this by 100, this one will cancel this, And this one, the push your point to here. We now have that the cost of the energy consumed is 4 naira 80 kobo, or 4 naira 80 kobo. That is it. And of course, the option to that is option A. So 4 naira 80 kobo, option A. That is the final answer. For more tips on how to get 300, for more tips on how to get 300 plus in your JAMB, follow me on my YouTube channel. It is down below. Thank you very much. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and then share this video with your friend. Thank you.